Hi everyone, this is Shanaya.
I am Nitin.
We are here to show you our DIY project. We converted our van into camper van. The idea behind was to have something where we don't have to use a hotel to stay or a restaurant to eat food, and also no stoppage for restrooms or bathroom breaks. Yeah, in short, we wanted to do something to have a safe travel. So we are very excited. We'll have separate videos to talk about each component if you would like to know the details how each one is connected, but for now we are just demonstrating the entire solution. So this is in our this is our car in drive mode, where we have the bed in condensed form like this and two car seats for the kids to sit on. So first we are going to actually make the bed that goes in front. Oh, before that, this is extra storage where we mostly keep our dry food, snacks, throws, and we have also tried to use it as a cushion seat too. This is a DIY cushion seat, and the platform comes out and it becomes your slide out table. Okay. So the first bed that goes in front, we want to make the frame, which is made from the PVC pipe like this, and which connects. One of the pipes connects in this holder. We have connected all the pipes. This is how it looks, the frame on which sits the single bed option, which is mostly used by my 8-year-old, but I also fit fine on this one. He usually keeps his head on that side and leg this side. So this completes bed for one person. Now comes the second bed. For that,
you put the car seat down.
The car seat down.
I'll take this out so that you can see how it works.
Okay, so he took out the mattress. This is the bed frame. See how collapsible this is. So it is in 3 parts. So the first is stationary. The second one moves out. Slides out like this. Okay. And the third one is a flap. This makes a full bed. I'll just give a view of the bed like this. On this goes the mattress, which is also collapsible. Makes one complete bed, and 3 of us. So we have used these USB chargeable fans on both the sides.
It actually runs for more than 24 hours on single charge.
Yep, it's very useful. We have the toilet option. This is a toilet option portable one we bought, and for privacy we got this excellent Wolf-Wise pop-up. It just pops up and you can keep the toilet in there, or it can be used. This one is for, see how easily it popped up. You can keep the toilet inside and it can be used literally anywhere. So what we have is a dual one. So one is used for changing clothes or anything, and this one is for toilet. It works. And this is our
the second
on-go toilet. Now we will go behind to show our little mini kitchen. Welcome to our on-go kitchen. So he built the kitchen. It was completely conceptualized by him. This is our mini kitchen, and he is going to demonstrate what we have.
Here we have a 10-gallon tank, and this is the inlet for tank. If you have a water resource or anywhere, you can connect the hose to it. You can put the water in it, and this tank is connected to a pump, a diaphragm pump. Now how that pump works is, it works on a pressure. So when I put a pressure on it, only that time it works. Switch off. So this is your
really neat. It's a running water. It's very necessary when you are camping.
Kitchen sink, and then the same thing is connected to a shower also.
So he basically has 2 outlets, 2 hoses going out of that. This is a shower just to wash ourselves out from the
shower will actually come out from the car here, and then you can keep it inside this. This is your kitchen platform. Okay.
So this drawer we have kept to keep our vessels and anything like that, whatever we need.
We have this also.
A small
We
waffle
just ate
maker.
last night, waffles last night.
Yeah, it came out really well. It works pretty good.
Okay. So this is where you can connect your
Trash bag.
And then this is your stove. Opens. This you connect your flap here. These are wind flaps.
This works out very well. It's connected to our portable propane.
The stopper we connect here, stopper, so that it will not go. If you are on the slope or somewhere, it will not go back. Now this is what the kitchen is. Now there you can keep your knife or spoons or anything like that. And now
this is a microwave. This is a completely functional kitchen. There is a coffee maker, and the best part of it, which I love, is the slide-in spice rack. So I'll open it completely. So we have everything that we need over here labeled. This is our slide-in rack.
This is the water tank. The water. And then this is our power station for the whole car. The best part of this is you can actually charge it from electricity from home. You can charge it by solar, and you can also charge it from your car when you're driving. So that is the best part of it. This refrigerator, you can actually, when you're driving, you can connect it here. So you will not consume all the power from this. When you're driving, it keeps cold. And when you are stationary mode, means you're not driving, you're in camping or you are in a parking lot or somewhere, you can connect it here and then switch it on. So that's how this will work. To recharge this, we have a couple of solar panels. We have two panels like this. Those two panels is actually connected to the powerhouse. And then it starts charging. And we have a light also here. And we also have a tent that connects back to your car.
A car tent.
Car tent, so you can keep this thing open and then you can stay inside your tent during daytime, or if you have cots, you can sleep at night.
So for storage, he has kept a little opening down, like we have slide in some water and even the toilet rolls, kitchen roll, and this is a stand for kitchen roll, by the way.
Yeah, this is the stand you have got. So this is the stand, you can keep it just like this, and then this is your.
It works out very well when you're working in the kitchen doing stuff. You need that. It works out very well. And there is a fire extinguisher. Safety comes first. We'll have separate videos to talk about each component if you would like to know the details how each one is connected. But for now, we are just demonstrating the entire solution, car solution.